Hello everybody, this is Shoaib. Welcome back to it another new video. So, welcome back my video once again from this beautiful and glorious evening. So today my younger brother and I have come to visit this place. I know that many of you recognize the place because I usually record video over here because this place is so quiet, so calm, and the environment is so soothing. Like my heart is melting after coming here. So I almost came here to practice, to record video. Even I am alone. So, finding a peaceful and quiet place, it's absolutely, great for practicing English.